I am standing at 780 Watson Gap. It's on 0.17 acres. Plenty of parking, as you can see. Circular little area there that you can just circle around. There's also a one-car garage. It's got an electric garage door opener. And it was very quiet when I opened it. It is not insulated, but there's power ran. Concrete. You have a neighbor right there. But the property is unrestricted. It's a nice little area to be in. It's got tin roof. It's got a fireplace, and it's a 2-bedroom, 2-bath, I do believe. We'll go in here and check it out. Everything is already lit up and on, and the deck is older, but I've seen worse. Got all the ivy growing. Got a rock vented fireplace. Here's the open porch. There's no screens. There could be if you wanted them. It's a pretty location. Yard needs to be mowed a little bit. It's got a sweet 20-plus-year-old kitty cat sitting there. Wood siding. So on the inside, I'm going to go from the other direction into the home, because this would be the way that you typically go in. This is, I think at one time it may have been screened, and there might have been a door there. I'm not really sure. Kind of looks like that there was the intentions to have one. There's vinyl flooring, no, these are planks. It is all open. That is a wood stove. Sheetrock. That's Formica. Older appliances. It's a very simple home. It's very nice, and you're in a quaint little neighborhood. It's got the vents for the attic. Everything's opened up here. I'm not sure. Okay, so there is central heat and air. The floors are a little uneven. You got a stand-in shower. It is tile. Updated toilet. There's carpet. Good sized closet. There's the washer and dryer. It's a great starter home. There's a little linen closet. There's the return air vent. There is AC. I just don't see him using it. There's those wood the wall heaters. I'm not sure why. May have at one point not had central heating and air. When I grew up, we didn't even have to have it. It's a little bit warmer nowadays. Okay, so the closet's about as big, a little bit bigger than the one that was over on the other side of the other bedroom. And then here's your bathroom. This one has the tub shower insert. There's the wood stove. Got a lot of different ways that I think that they've over time had for heating and air. You got trees canopied around, so the neighbor's out in the yard, but you can't even see him. All right, well, this is 780 Watson Gap. It's about 20 to, probably about 20 to 25 minutes from downtown Blue Ridge. You're close to Murphy, North Carolina, kind of in between the two areas. If you have any questions, this is Tanya Davenport with Coldwell Banker High Country in the beautiful North Georgia mountains, 706-455-6977.